Hi, and welcome to IC2 Tips and Tricks. In this episode, we will be discussing user management. Let's start by opening your user profile from the top navbar. This will open up a new tab. From the left menu, select User Management. This is where you can view a complete list of all users in your practice. Now let's add a new user. Start by giving the user a name. Enter the new user's email address. Next, let's assign the user a role. And finally, make sure the user status is active. Once you have added the user will be assigned into your practice subscription. You can manage all users in your subscription, including their user role, user status, and password resets.